everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force close Waze application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to force close your Waze application using iPhone, then follow the steps. Simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the app switcher. Now, swipe the window for the Waze app upwards the top of the screen until the app disappears. Soon after you do that, you have successfully force closed Waze application on your iPhone. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.